Strong A+ content can significantly increase your Amazon product sales and boost your brand's credibility. In this video, you will learn how to create high-converting A+ content, including the best module selection, effective copywriting, and proven keyword optimization strategies using data dive tools. If you want to try data dive, sign up using the link below and use the exclusive code OrangeClick for 20% off.
Hi, my name is Nikki from Klik. Welcome back to the channel where we break down proven Amazon strategies to help you scale your brand on Amazon this year. In today's video, we're diving into something absolutely crucial for boosting your conversion rates, brand credibility, and mobile performance. Yep, we're talking about A+ content, also known as enhanced brand content. Here's what we're covering: what A+ content actually is and why it matters more than ever, how to structure your A+ modules for maximum visual and persuasive impact, the best performing layouts for different types of products, whether you sell skincare, tech gadgets, supplements, or anything in between. Next is real working examples of A+ strategies that are crushing it this year, and expert tips for writing persuasive copy and using high converting imagery. Plus, we'll drop some bonus optimization hacks to make your A+ listings mobile friendly, brand consistent, and totally aligned with what Amazon's algorithm loves right now. And yes, we'll be using Data Dive to research, optimize, and execute like a pro. If you're serious about growing your Amazon FBA brand, driving conversions, and standing out in a crowded market, then this one's packed with gold. Let's get into it. A+ content, also known as enhanced brand content on Amazon, is a powerful feature that allows brand registered sellers to replace plain product descriptions with rich, visually engaging content. Think comparison charts, lifestyle images, and custom modules. In 2025, it's more important than ever because it not only helps you stand out in a saturated marketplace, but also drives higher conversion rates, builds brand trust, and improves the mobile shopping experience. With shoppers making faster decisions and scrolling more than ever, strong A+ content can be the difference between a bounce and a buy. Here's a comprehensive guide with strategies, examples, and imagery suggestions for a step-by-step walkthrough on how to structure your A+ content modules for maximum impact. So how to structure your A+ module for maximum visual and persuasive impact? The strategy that we use is called the conversion flow framework. First is to establish trust. You need to show who you are. Second is highlight benefit. What's in it for your customers? Third is explain how it works. Reduce the confusion by showing how your product works clearly. And fourth, differentiate. Why will your customers choose your product above others? And fifth, close with emotional or lifestyle imagery. These are the recommended module layouts for a wireless earbud. For example, for a brand story or full-width banner, the purpose is to establish authority and trust. An example tagline would be, "Engineered for excellence, trusted by 1 million audiophiles." This is your brand story with product and user trust badges. The second module is for image highlights or feature grid. The purpose here is to showcase key benefits visually. An example would be crystal clear calls, deep bass, all-day battery, and sweat-proof fit. Another module could be an image with side text. The purpose for this module is to break down features or setup. So an example image that you can put here is to show the earbud internals, noise cancelling tech, Bluetooth chip technology, or mic array. The next module is the comparison chart. The purpose for this module is to prove superiority. Compare your earbuds versus the top brand. For example, battery life, call quality, and value. And the last module could be a lifestyle image with text overlay. The purpose here is for emotional close. An example could be a person on a run taking a call mid-commute or meditating with earbuds. So here's the best performing layouts for different product types. For tech gadgets, for example, the wireless earbuds, the module to use is brand story, banner with tagline, then feature grid with standard 4 image and text. Then a step-by-step setup. So it's a standard image with a side text and a comparison chart module and a lifestyle image with emotional hook. Here's the example imagery ideas. Imagine a clean, dark tech backgrounds or a vibrant use case settings. It could be a close-up of earbuds, case, mic, and touch controls. You can also show the users on a video call, running, commuting, or relaxing. Here's an example flow. Smart sound for smarter living. So this could be an ad copy for the banner image, commuter with earbuds, and the call to action. Another is top feature highlights. So you could add the text such as noise canceling, another feature of 40-hour battery, and another feature of instant pairing and sweatproof. Those are clear and it really highlights your features. Number 3, how it works. You can minimize the confusion by setting up how it works or showing how it works, like tap to answer, auto connect, customize sound by app. The next is the comparison table. For example, brand X has longer playtime, better mic, and lower price. Or lifestyle clothes. For example, a person deep in focus at a cafe or in transit with a smile. So here are the best performing layouts for different product types for supplements or wellness. The modules to use are ingredient transparency, how to use lifestyle usage for morning night routine, a comparison table, and for imagery ideas, you can show the bottle plus raw ingredient on a flat lay or a soft natural lighting, add in smiling users taking product in kitchen or gym. And so for the example flow, you can say backed by science, loved by customers. Another is 3 benefits in icons like energy, focus, immunity, or take 2 daily with breakfast, visual with an ingredient chart versus competitors, and a customer story or testimonial module. Now, for best performing layouts for skincare or beauty, the modules to use could be brand story, ingredient breakdown, image with side text, a before and after image highlights, a comparison chart, and for imagery ideas, you can imagine a clean spa-like backgrounds, skin close-ups, real users on natural ingredients in flat lay, and an example flow could be a tagline or a banner. It could be your skin's new best friend. And for the highlight images, you can do 4 steps to glow. That could be hydration, glow, SPF, and lightweight. It could be an ingredient call out if your product has niacinamide or vitamin C and any other active ingredient. Before and after, show dull versus radiant skin after use of your product. And lastly, happy customer applying product in sunlight. Now, how to create an A+ content in Amazon Seller Central. First step is to log into Seller Central, and step 2, navigate to A+ Content Manager. Hover on the advertising, click A+ Content Manager, and click Start Creating A+ Content. Choose Enhance Product Description, and name your project, for example, Wireless Earbuds A+ for April 2025. And step 4, choose your modules, the one that we have recommended a while ago, which is a banner image with standard image with light text overlay, a standard 4 image text, a standard image with sidebar and comparison chart. You can use up to 7 modules to tell your full brand and product story. Here's an example. For example, for a full width banner, we have a headline of a smarter sound, seamless living. So the subtext could be trusted by over 1 million users for daily listening, productivity, and adventure. A module 2 example could be, for example, for a 4 image highlight, immersive sound, balanced audio with deep bass, 40-hour battery, extended use with rapid charging, waterproof build, sweatproof and weather resistant, smart control, so one-tap pairing, and in-ear commands. And in another module, it could be an image with side text to show how it works. The title could be Pair, Play, Power Through. And the subtext could be setup in seconds, take them out of the case, pair automatically via Bluetooth, and enjoy intuitive touch control to manage your sound anytime, anywhere. Then the next module could be a comparison chart where it shows the features of your earbud right now versus the competitor A and the competitor B. It really highlights how much your product is offering more value than the other competitors here. From battery life to noise canceling to waterproof rating, Bluetooth version, how updated it is, and price to performance. And the last module could be a lifestyle image with text overlay. The headline could be earbuds that moves with you. So it really describes your current lifestyle. And a subtext could be from workouts to work calls, commute to couch, and enjoy premium sound wherever life takes you. Now, when you're done making all of these images, upload images and copy. The images should be 970 by 300 pixels or higher in JPEG or PNG format under 2 MB. For the copy tips, for mobile first, it should have short phrases, and in practice, features that are written in bullet form works best. It should be also less than 300 characters per module. Then, apply it to ASINs that you want to add this brand content, including variations. Then, submit for approval. Then, Amazon typically reviews within 24 to 72 hours, and you'll be notified once your A+ content goes live. Now, how to use data dive for conversion-driven keyword research. First, to run a deep competitor dive, plug in your top 3 competitors with the best-selling wireless earbuds, and then focus on buying intent keywords like best wireless earbuds for calls, noise-canceling earbuds for gyms, and so on. Filter for high relevance, mid-high volume keywords. Prioritize terms with good search volume, relevancy score, and low CPR or conversion per rank. Find keywords you can rank for realistically and that match your product's unique angles. Create keyword buckets for A+ usage. For feature-driven keywords, Bluetooth 5.3, long battery life earbuds would fit those. And for the use case focused keywords like earbuds for Zoom calls, earbuds for workouts. And for emotion benefit based keywords, this could be focus better, tune out noise, or stay in the zone. Here's an example ad copy using data dive keywords for wireless earbuds. So as you can see here, we have meet your new everyday earbuds. Say goodbye to dropped calls and bulky headphones. With Bluetooth 5.3, here's the keyword, connectivity, AI-powered noise cancellation, and the other feature, which is a 40-hour battery life. The wireless earbuds are built for Zoom calls, gym workouts, and everything in between. Whether you're chasing deadlines or chasing miles, enjoy ultra-light comfort, a snug fit that won't budge, and crystal clear audio that keeps you in the zone. So here you will be able to highlight what's in it for the customers. So highlight that you deliver the best-in-class sound without the markup, so without hurting their pockets. Then here are the other unique selling points for your product. Remote professionals who need reliable call clarity. That's for the Zoom calls or other online meeting needs. Fitness lovers needing sweat-proof earbuds for workouts, and commuters who just want to tune out the world wire-free. Optimize with top-ranking keywords from data dive. So the A+ content speaks your customer's language and Amazon's algorithm. So here are the real A+ strategies that are crushing it this year. So the winning formula could be, first, lead with the pain point plus solution. So think about the pain points that your current customers are having and then add that to your tagline, plus the solution that your product provides. Second is highlight key features and visual grids. Third, use real-use lifestyle shots. Fourth, comparison chart to slay the competition. And 5, keep it clean, clickable, and mobile optimized. So here are the expert copy and image tips that convert. For persuasive copywriting tips, use active verbs like stay focused, crush your commute, or escape the noise. Make it buyer focused, not product focused. Short phrases like better for mobile. Or use power words like smart, effortless, zero lag, and game changer. For image tips, show real people in real use cases. Use text overlays sparingly, one key benefit per image. Keep a consistent color palette that matches your product or packaging. Add icons for features, battery life, waterproof, or touch controls. Here are the bonus A+ content optimization hacks that is mobile and algorithm friendly. Text should be under 300 characters per module, perfect for mobile. Use centered layouts when possible. They render best on your phones. Stick to 2 brand colors and 1 font style throughout your A+ layout. Optimize alt text on images using long-tail data dive keywords. Keep file sizes under 2 MB and images with 970 pixels for sharp rendering. So if you have found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss high-impact strategies to grow your brand and beyond. And let us know what has been your biggest challenge with creating A+ content so far. Need the tool mentioned? All the resources, including Data Dive, are linked in the description below. If you haven't tried Data Dive yet, don't miss the opportunity to add this valuable Amazon seller tool for your business today. Maximize your savings by using our coupon code that's OrangeClick to get 20% off discount for monthly subscription plan. Once more, check out our other Data Dive videos where we talk about product listing optimization workflow and keyword research strategies. Again, this is Nikki from OrangeClick. Thanks for watching, and remember, great content doesn't just tell your brand story, it sells it. See you in the next one.
I hope this video will help you to create high converting A+ content for your Amazon listings. And if you want to try Data Dive tools, sign up using the link below and use the exclusive code OrangeClick for 20% off your subscription. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you enjoy the content we create, and leave any comments you have and questions in the questions comment section below. And now I recommend you to watch another video where we show how to use Data Dive for keyword research and listing optimization. So check this out.